Dude, what the hell is happening in Growtopia right now?
What are you talking about right now, bro?
The last time I remember, Angel Wings only cost around 20 to 25 world locks, and now it costs 150 world locks each.
That's called inflation, John.
Inflation? Is that a new item in this game?
No, John. Inflation is a general increase in prices in an economy and consequent fall in purchasing value of money.
So?
In our case, Growtopia item prices have been rising and the purchasing power of the world lock is falling. Inflation occurs when the quantity of money grows faster than the number of goods or items in Growtopia. This occurs when players farm or buy gems, which, if spent on world locks in the store, increase the quantity of world locks in the game.
And why does that affect the price of an item?
If the Growtopia economy had 10,000 world locks in 2015, and you had one world lock, you'd own 0.1% of all of the purchasing power. But now there are so many world locks, say 10 million, which means that your same world lock is now worth only 0.0000001% of all the purchasing power due to inflation.
Thank you, bro. Now I should grind more to get my dream item.